What is up, YouTube? This is Jay, and today it's Friday, so I'm going to review my portfolio to see which stocks I'm buying today as a DCA investor. But first, I'm gonna be showing you the 5 purchases that I've already made this week. I made 3 purchases on Monday, 2 purchases yesterday on Thursday, and one of them was the purchase for the weekly challenge, which is this one right here. And you guys can see I bought one more share of SCHD on December 16 at $28.04. The share price right now, today on Friday, it's at $26.93. The stock market has taken a dip this week for sure. It's down more than 3% or more than 2.5%. So I'm going to be taking advantage of that. As you guys know, if you guys have been following the channel for some time already, you guys know that I like red days because then I get to buy more of my favorite stocks and ETFs at a cheaper price. And if we go into the portfolio spreadsheet, I did update the full portfolio spreadsheet. I did not update the dividend portfolio spreadsheet, but the dividend portfolio is not performing very well, especially this week. It has taken a big dip. But if we go into the full portfolio, I'm still at 20,000, over 20,000. About a month ago, I was over $21,000 in market value, but now I'm a little bit over $20,000. I'm still in the green by 11% between all of my positions, but you guys see that there's 4 positions in the red, which I'm gonna talk about in a minute. But first, you guys see right here, I only have $281 left in cash because I have used some of the cash from the dividend portfolio, and I have $214 left. But if we go into the updates tab, I'll show you right here. So on Monday, December 16, I put $45 into Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. It purchased for me 0.307 shares at a share price of $146.26. And then I bought 1 share of Vici, ticker symbol VICI, 1 full share at a share price of $31.09. But then yesterday, I've noticed that the stock market continued to dip. So then I made another 2 purchases, and one of them was 1 full share again of Vici at a share price of $28.69. So I'm continuing to build this position. As I've told you guys before, I'm going to be spending some of the idle cash into Vici so I can boost my income on those off months that Vici pays. But I still bought 1 more share of SCHD at $27.03. This was a good purchase in my opinion that I just made there, and I was very happy about it. And if we go back into my full portfolio, you guys can see that I'm at 167 shares of SCHD, and then I'm going to be buying another share today, which is going to be 168 shares after today, plus another one on Monday. And don't be surprised if I spend some of the cash today too on SCHD and buy 1 more share. And then that will be 3 total shares between today and Monday. But definitely excited about that. I'm in the green by 6%. My cost per share is at $25.33. So it's getting closer and closer to my cost per share actually. The share price right now is at $26.93. Getting closer into that 52-week low. If it goes down even more, that will be good for right now, because I will continue to buy some more and more. SCHD is 22% of my portfolio right here. And then one of the positions that is down right now big time, I'm down 10%, in the negative by 10%, is All Realty Income. I have 29.8 shares. Share price is at $51.76. My cost per share is at $57.51. I know this position is 7% of my portfolio, which is pretty high for a single stock, but I have to take advantage of the dip, and I'm going to have to make a purchase today just to continue to bring my cost per share down. I just gotta see how much I can deposit today so I can divide it between a purchase on SCHD for 1 share, a purchase on All Realty Income, plus a purchase on J&J because I'm in the negative by 8% also 8.3 shares. The share price is at $143.58. I think that this is a share price right now. It's like pretty much 52-week low right now. So I think that this is a good entry point to start a position in J&J. If you have not started a position, of course, this is not financial advice, guys. But if you have been looking into J&J, doing your due diligence and research into J&J, I think that this is a good entry point. It's 5.8% of my portfolio. My cost per share is at $156. So I'm going to continue to work on it to bring it down some more. So today I'm going to make another purchase. I just got to see. I can only deposit maybe a little bit over $100 this week. So I have to see how I can split that into these purchases that I'm going to be making today. Plus, I got to save another $27, $28 for SCHD for the weekly challenge for December, which is going to be my next purchase is going to be on Monday. And then there's also Vici properties, which I need to make another purchase. But this one, I think I'm just going to spend some of the cash on this one and buy one full share one more time. And then that's it. I'm probably not going to spend any more of the cash on Vici, but I'm at 23.382 shares. Or maybe I should buy 2 shares with that cash. What do you guys think? Keep it at 25 shares of Vici. The share price right now is at $28.27. This is 3.25% of my position, and my cost per share is at $30.12. I'm in the negative by 6%. This is one company that I want to bring up some more. Like, I want to buy more shares so I can get paid a little bit more dividend on these months like January, April, July, and October, because those are some of my lower months in dividend income. And I want to focus the dividend portfolio in dividend income. And this one, I'm going to see. Maybe I'll do buy 2 more shares of Vici, or I'll just buy one and then I'll see where the stock market is on Monday. Maybe I'll buy another one on Monday. So let me see what I do today. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see Sunday's update and see what I buy today as a DCA investor, because I'm going to be making the purchases later today, later this morning or in the early afternoon. And then my next one is PFE Pfizer, which is in the red by 17%. I want to buy some more Pfizer, but I'm going to be focusing a bit more on Vici, Johnson & Johnson, and All Realty Income. Those are going to be my purchases for this week. Pfizer is at $25.77. I'm 22.2 shares right now. It's only 2.81% percent of my portfolio, and my cost per share is at $31.27. In my growth portfolio, where I have Google, Tesla, VGT, FNILX, and Amazon, I'm going to see if I buy some more of one of these positions, but I think I'm just going to leave it in cash for now and then just wait for an opportunity on one of those positions. Tesla is up right now in my portfolio 111%. So I am seriously considering selling, taking some of those profits, and maybe move them to another position. But I have to do some research and see where I can move that money into, if I do move on from Tesla, or just keep it in Tesla and see if it continues to run up in share price. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave your opinion in the comment section. What are you buying as a DCA investor, or what are you buying in general? Maybe you're just a lump sum investor. So leave it in the comment section. And I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.